Emma loved collecting old books. Every weekend, she visited the flea market in search of hidden treasures.
One rainy afternoon, she stumbled upon a dusty, leather-bound book at an antique shop. The cover had no title, but something about it intrigued her. She bought it and rushed home. As she flipped through the yellowed pages, a folded letter slipped out. The ink was faded, but the words sent shivers down her spine. To the one who finds this letter, if you are reading this, I am in danger. The key is hidden where the stars meet the sea. Please help, AF. Emma's heart pounded. Who was AF? What key? And where did the stars meet the sea? She spent the next few hours searching online and discovered an old lighthouse called Starpoint Cove by the coast. Without hesitation, she packed her bag and set off on the 4-hour drive. By nightfall, she reached the abandoned lighthouse. The place was eerie, with the wind howling through broken windows. Emma cautiously stepped inside, using her flashlight to guide her way. Then, she saw a loose brick near the base of the lighthouse. With trembling hands, she pried it open and found a small, rusted box. Inside was an old brass key and another note.